All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 2500 high top. This beautiful white with black vinyl interior, 17,000 miles. Super nice. Best of all, power windows, power door locks. Minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper here, this quarter you can see. Now, folks, in case you don't know, you can buy this in sections. As you can see, that is a section. This middle section is another one, and that's the section there. This here, you probably just really needs like a small little paint job. But anyway, it's got some scuffing here from side to side. As you can see it, the grill looks good. The other side looks decent, has some scuffings on this side as well. All right, your hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel and your tire thread. Under 432nds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. I do see a little dent here, about 3 inches. Boom, right there. Other than that, we look good. Here's your rear passenger rim, rear driver's rim, and your tire thread is over 732nds. Another dent there. That's coming from the inside out, as you can see it. Got power windows, power door locks. You got your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in here. Turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. All right, you get your little cup holders and stuff like that right there. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues, and your mileage of 17,849. Need some gas. That's about it. Keep it moving. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Lights are working. Yes, they are. All lights are working. Your rear bumper's got some small scuffings and stuff like that. That's just typical. This door looks good. Swings out all the way. Likewise here, this paneling looks good. And that swings out all the way. Here's your rear cargo area and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Looks good. This here looks good. Normally those panels are messed up. A little scratched up here at the bottom, but that's typical of any construction truck. Coming around. Here we do have a dent, as you can see here. Let's see, 3, 6, about 6 inches right here, as you can see it there. All right. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is over 732nds. Got some scuffing on this molding, as you can see it. And some more on that molding. All right, other than that, it looked good. So, of course, what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Very nice. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. And your front driver's rim looks good. And tire thread on that is under 432nds. Pretty much completes the tour. All lights are working. Oh, I gotta get a ladder. 1 second. All right, we're back. So this side of the roof looks pretty good. Looks pretty good all the way to the back. Got some scuffing here on the top. That's about it. Check out the other side. And this side looks pretty good. Seems to have actually a dent right here. Very small, but it does have one there. That's about it towards the back. I'm still going to take the ladder back here. Boom, 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 boom. And we look good back here. Has a dent scuffing right here. So you can see it's 3, 6, about 6 inches. All right. All right. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top with 17,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.